What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but things have got busy. I want to get back to YouTube now. Basically, at the end of last year, college got a bit intense because of like coronavirus. We weren't able to go in as much. There was a lot of work to do, but I got that done. And then there was obviously Christmas and New Year's. But now that is all over, I've got 3 videos in the bank, including this one, to upload. So I really do want to get back to YouTube. I want to upload weekly this year, get it going again, new kind of content coming. But yeah, basically now I finished college, I've got my certificate 3, so I don't have to go there every week. I can just focus on YouTube and obviously work, but it's a lot easier when there's just YouTube and there's no like studying and theory work to do, but that is all done. In today's video, I've just got, it was a while ago, me and Alex, we climbed Sublime Point. If you don't know what that is, it's like a walking trail up to a really nice view. We did that for sunset, that was a while ago. And then I've got a different day after that, but first you'll see the Sublime Point. Me and Alex have made it to the track. We're in a bit of a rush. Alex just came from work, but we reckon we can get the trail done pretty quick and get to the top at sunset. Quads are absolutely burning. Alex, how do you feel like?
I did legs today. I'm gone.
What do your quads feel like?
Like jelly.
Yeah. I don't know how far we are. Do you know how far we are? So like past halfway.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. The view is looking very nice. Big man Alex is leaving me behind with big legs. It's too big for me, mate. Absolutely smashed that walk, me and Alex. Got it done in time. We got plenty of sunset to look at.
So pretty.
Yeah! This next day was a different day. We went to a place called Guataymala. Me and Declan went with a few other friends. And yeah, it was a really nice day. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm guessing it was a bit of a short one, but I have 2 more videos to upload, so that's fine. We're actually packing for another bigger trip right now. Leon's about to come over and then we're going to bed. And yeah, we're doing that tomorrow and for 2 nights, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to obviously like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.